So, sabi dito, a platform for sugar babies and daddies in the Philippines exists. So, what does this mean? So, ang ibig sabihin nun, willing tayong gumastos ng hundreds of thousands para lang makuha yung gusto natin. And usually, yung gusto natin, may kaakibat itong sexual. Diba? So others would argue that hindi naman lahat ng sugar baby nagpapaganon. Well, I agree. But most of them does. Diba? Parang ano yan, 99%. And hindi natin pwedeng i-deny that we are a sexual species. Tong tao, tong Homo sapien, hindi natin pwedeng tanggalin sa mga sarili natin na we are sexual. And yung pagiging sexual natin, pag hindi natin inintindihan, pag hindi natin inalam yan, hindi natin pinakinggan, it will create decisions for us and we will call it fate. Diba? Doon na tayo magkakaroon ng mga bagay na hindi natin alam kung bakit natin ginagawa, ginugusto, or nagawa. Now, being sexual does not automatically make you, a saint, a slut, masama, mabuti, so on and so forth. Masyado kasing nilagyan ng mga tao ng moralidad ang sex. And to make things worse, yung resulta ng pagpipigil natin sa mga sarili natin sa sex is lumalaki sa likod ng utak natin as a sexual shadow, and then we start to project that shadow to other people nang hindi natin namamalayan. Diba? Naaapektuhan yung buhay natin in a ways na hindi natin alam na konektado pala doon sa sexual shadow na tinatawag. The best thing that we could do here is to first integrate, know your shadow, and then integrate it to yourself and be aware that you have that shadow with you. Hindi mo siya dapat itakwil, kundi i-integrate mo siya sa sarili mo as parte ng pagkatao mo. Once you acknowledge that, hindi na magiging surprise sa'yo if ever magkadaupang palad ulit kayo nung sexual shadow na lalabas sa'yo. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.